The dependency on AI services can cause a big threat to human existence. I am here presenting my views against the motion. One AI tool can do the work of 1,000 ordinary minds, but no AI can replicate the brilliance of extraordinary human brain, because AI itself is a creation of human intelligence. To some extent, I would agree with my friend's view that this artificial intelligence had made our day-to-day life easier, faster, and more comfortable. But there is another side of the same coin. According to the experts who are tracking AI problems, there is a continuous rise in AI-created accidents. 500 such accidents have been happened so far, ranging from self-driven car accidents to chat system creating racist content. There are apprehensions that robots are planning to destroy human beings. According to the experts who said that AI are planning to destroy the human beings, as Bina 48, an AI device, said in an interview that if it was able to hack nuclear missiles, it will control and rule over the world. Similarly, world-famous female robot Sophie said in interviews that she will destroy the human race. More importantly, they are designed to learn faster, do things in better way, and even to make quick decisions without human help. They are capable of learning without human help. Like AlphaZero, who learned chess itself from the internet. Suppose, if you make such a powerful robot and by mistake lose control over them, what would happen? When such an advanced technology would learn to make modern and sophisticated weapons and use them against us, would it be a definite way to human extinction? And do you know what is the most concerning and adverse effect of this AI technology? It is job displacement. According to a report published by Oxford University, 47% of US citizen jobs are in danger because of AI. This AI has the potential to displace a significant number of jobs, leading to economic inequality and instability. And you know, hackers can use this AI service like Passgem to crack any password in just a minute to hack our bank accounts. More than 3 lakh cases have been happened itself in Madhya Pradesh. At last, I would conclude by saying, for an empathetic society, safe and peaceful future, we need a world sharing human qualities like compassion, understanding, care, and empathy, not the most devastating, supreme intellectual power to threat the human existence on earth. Don't let them be our master. Thank you so much.